Employees are doing something interesting behind the scenes in this demo. It demonstrates how your employees can fetch data from files you upload to enhance their responses, and also shows how they can work together to produce better responses. Before we examine the employees, let's take a quick look at how you can store data in files for your employees to access while they carry out your tasks. I am going to leave the workspace to take a look at a project file that is accessed by the PR Writer employee in this demo. If I click on Projects, Demo Projects, and then press Release Details, I can see files uploaded to this project. Clicking on the Bakery Info file, we can see that this file contains all of the detailed information about the bakery, including core values, addresses, phone numbers, who the CEO is, and specific media contact information. This is the information that will be accessed by one of the employees in the press release demo. Let's go back to the press release demo in Workspaces. I'm going to hit the Edit button so we can see how these employees are configured. The first employee, Outline Writer, has a module called Communication Guidance. If we open this up, we can see that this module is set to respond to chat input, which is the default for modules. The template shows that the module has been told to provide a 4-line outline for a good press release for the input, and to use an alphanumeric outline format. Let's close this module and see where the real magic is happening with the PR Writer. The PR Writer has two modules: Fetch File Contents and Write a Press Release with Content. If we look inside of Fetch File Contents, we see that this module allows for the retrieval of file content stored in a project. The project specified is the Press Release Details one we saw earlier, and the Bakery Info file has been selected. This module will fetch the contents of this file and pass the content to lower modules. By selecting this option for output, we won't see the content in the chat feed, but it will be used as input to the module below. The PR Writer's second module, Write Press Release with Content, is fairly straightforward, but it has two inputs selected at the top. It takes the previous module output, which is the detailed text in the file, as well as the outline provided by the Outline Writer as input to its task. The template text references both. It says, working from the provided outline, write a first draft of a press release while also using the available company information, and it places the bracketed input token at the end.